Life's always better on the water, and Hurricane Marina means summer fun and entertainment. There's exciting water sports and fun for the whole family at one of Center Hill Lake's only natural harbors. You and your family can enjoy events, restaurants, and summer fun on one of our leisure crafts or pontoon rentals. And now for the first time, we're offering houseboat vacations. It's all at Hurricane Marina. For a weekend of play or a week-long stay, come out to Hurricane Marina, where life's always better on the water.